For a complete beginner in e-commerce, what's more beginner friendly? TikTok ads with Shopify or Etsy? Definitely Etsy, because Etsy's going to require a lot less of your time, a lot less of your money, and you're just going to get sales faster. That's the thing with TikTok, you could do a lot of you could put a lot of effort into it and just get no sales and have no idea where you're going wrong. Whereas with Etsy, it's very difficult to actually put effort into it and actually get completely zero sales. Maybe you'll get 5 if you're just fucking shit, but you'll get sales. So that's a very, very important thing. You will just get sales, you know? How to find winning products. I have a new video coming up very soon, talking about winning products and stuff like this. So if you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe. I also have a full guide. I filmed an hour-long guide about Etsy dropshipping coming out soon as well. Wraith is cool. I prefer the Ghost, Suicide Doors, Slam 20. Wait, maybe I'm talking about the Ghost. Ghost. But one of my friends. Oh no, the Ghost is cool. But the Wraith has the doors that come out the other way. They're not the normal fucking doors. The thing is though, I feel the Ghost is just you have to get driven in it. I feel you can't just drive it. It's just weird. Whereas the Wraith you can drive, you know? And one of my friends, I think he just bought a Wraith. Yeah, one of my friends just bought a Wraith. And he got an insane deal. He bought it for I don't even know how much, but he got offered 12k over. He bought it. Wait, he went to a dealer to buy a different car. The dealer offered him 12k more than he fucking bought it. No negotiation, anything. So he got a fucking steal with that one. But anyways, yeah. How to find winning products. I was going to answer that. So there's so many different ways. Honestly, the easiest way to find winning products and try to capitalize on them is find already best sellers on the platform and then just steal them and just slightly change little things, right? Whether it's finding one that's very similar, or whether it's directly stealing and undercutting, or whether it's directly stealing and changing the imagery, whether it's directly stealing and changing some keywords and trying a different angle. It's all about kind of just magpieing ideas and just slightly changing something just to come up with something a little bit better is really how it works. So I think that kind of gives a brief introduction. But I have a bunch of videos coming out about this. Also, you can go, the moderator will post this in the chat, but freeetsyguide.com. You can go there. There's a product research guide on there. You can go check that out. That's super good. So looking at how much people bought a product in the last 24 hours is the best metric when doing product research? Definitely not, no. The best metric is more that's not really a good metric, really. I mean, it does work. Yeah, obviously it does work. But I don't really look at that. I don't really try and find really massively trending products. I more look, and also on Etsy, if it says on Etsy, it is accurate, but a lot of these tools aren't accurate. But typically what I look at is I look for products that are just not trending right now, not doing crazy right now, but just products that consistently sell all year round, right? The other day I was looking at a dress store, and it was just wool woven, really thick dresses, and it was just doing really fucking well. And that's a good store right there. None of the products was doing crazy numbers, but they had 1,000 products, 73,000 orders, and they're just doing really well consistently. They don't have one product that's doing crazy numbers. They're just doing really well across the board.